Hello dear students, welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Student, in my previous video, we have to learn the story of Black Beauty. Okay students, so now today's video we going to solve the exercises of this chapter. So for that you all take out your English reader book and open chapter number 1, which is Black Beauty. Student, today we are going to solve the exercises. So firstly you have to mention date of today. Okay student, now there is a first exercise is exercise A. In exercise A there is a read these sentences and answer the question. So student, you have to write the question answer. So for that you all take out your notebooks, okay, and also mention the date of today. So you have to mention date of today, and after that write exercise E, read these sentences and answer this question. So this is the first statement is be good while I go to work for Farmer Gray. Student, here are 3 questions. First is who said this word, second is whom did the speaker say this to, and third is who was Farmer Gray. So we have to write this question answer in notebook. So firstly you have to mention number 1, be good while I go to work for Farmer Gray. So this first question you have to note down who said this word. So we have to learn the story, and we know that this word said by Darky's mother. So we have to write answer, Darky's mother said these words. Okay. Now the next question is whom did the speaker say this to? So we have to write the answer that the speaker said this to Darky. And third question is who was Farmer Gray? So we have to write the answer that Farmer Gray was Black Beauty's first master, and we know very well that Black Beauty was a handsome horse whose name was Darky. Okay, so we have to write Farmer Gray was Black Beauty's first master. Now moving to the next. There is next statement is this is the last time you trouble my horses. Now here again 3 questions. So first is who said this word and to whom. Second is why did the speaker say this, and third is what did the speaker ask the other person to do after this. So student, we have to write, firstly we have to mention the statement this is the last time you trouble my horses, and after that we have to write question number A, which is who said this word and to whom. So we have to write the answer that Farmer Gray said this word to Dick. Second question is why did the speaker say this? So we have to write the speaker said this because Dick was troubling his horses. And third is what did the speaker ask the other person to do after this? So we have to write the answer the speaker asked the other person to leave his farm immediately. Okay, so like this we have to complete the exercises of this chapter. So there is a first exercise, exercise A. After completing the exercise A, we moving to the next exercise, which is exercise B. In exercise B, there is an answer this question. So student, we have to write question answer in notebook. So firstly there is a question who was Black Beauty and where did he live, and second is why did Farmer Gray send Darky to another farm. So let's write the answer of this question. So firstly we have to mention exercise B, answer this question, and after that we have to write question number 1 who was Black Beauty and where did he live. So we have to write Black Beauty was a handsome horse. Who was Black Beauty? So we have to learn in the story that Black Beauty was a handsome horse. So we have to write Black Beauty was a handsome horse. And there is a next question is and where did he live? So we have to write he lived on an English farm. He lived on an English farm. So student, you have to write the answer of this question that Black Beauty was a handsome horse. He lived on an English farm. Okay. Now moving to the next question. There is a next question is why did Farmer Gray send Darky to another farm? So we have to write Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm for his training. We have to write the answer that Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm for his training. After completing this question answer, there is next question is question number 3. Fill in the web diagram. Fill in the web diagram with words that describe Farmer Gray. Choose from the box. Student, as you can see at the screen that there is a words, we have to choose the correct one. We have to describe farmer grape by choosing this word. So there is a, in center as you can see, there is a master and we have to write the quality of farmer grape. So this we have to write, first is generous, okay. So what the spelling of generous? So Generous, generous. Second is caring. Third is affectionate. Next is thoughtful. After that just and kind. So this all the quality of, this all are the quality of farmer grape, okay. We have to describe farmer grape by these words, okay. Now moving to the next exercise. After completing exercise B, there is the next exercise, exercise B, okay. Student, in exercise B, write one word for the following, okay. Here is the exercise C is for you think and answer, okay. Exercise C is think and answer. So student, you have to think and after that write the answer of given question. We moving to the next exercise D. Write one word for the following. So we have to write one word for the given following, okay. So there is a first is a young male horse. A young male horse, what we called it? We called it colt, okay. What the spelling of colt? So it is C-O-L-T, colt. After that, second is the fast movement of a horse. So we have to know that we call it gallop, G-A-L-L-O-P, gallop, okay. Now the next is number third, the sound made by a horse. So we have to say it neigh, okay, N-E-I-G-H. Fourth is a female horse. So we called a female horse mare, M-A-R-E, mare. So like this you have to complete exercise D in your book, okay. So after that there is next stage, exercise E. So what will we do in exercise E? So student, there is exercise E is make 3 new words of 3 or more letters from these words. Student, here are words are given and we have to take 3 or more letters from this word and make a new words, okay. Like there is a first word is horse, so we have to make new words from the horse, okay. So there is a first stage, we have to write R-O-S-E, okay. We have to take this letter from horse. As you can see, there is a spelling of horse is H-O-R-S-E. So we have to take R-O-S-E. After that we have to make rose, okay. Now the next is S-H-O-R-E, sure. And after that S-H-O-E, so. And you have to make many more words, okay. After that second is meadow. Second is meadow. So we have to make new words from the meadow is first is mad, M-A-D. Second is doe, D-O-E. Third is mad, M-A-D-E. After that next word is farmer. Next word is farmer. So we have to make first word farm, F-A-R-M. Second is arm. Third is mare, okay. The spelling of farm is F-A-R-M, farm. Second is arm, A-R-M, and third is mare, M-A-R-E, mare. Now the next number 4 is carriage. So we have to make car, C-A-R, car, race, R-A-G-E, and age, A-G-E, okay student. So like this you have to complete exercise E. So now moving to the next, there is exercise F. In exercise F, there is circle the correct spelled words within the brackets, okay. So we have to take circle the correct spelled word, okay. So there is first, Darky was a called on farmer Grace farm. So student, tell me which one is correct spelling of called. So there is first is C-O-L-T is a correct spelling, so we have to circle it, okay. Now in second, Dick the plow boy would throw stone and twigs at horse age. So which plow word is correct? So there is second one is correct, so we have to circle it, okay. P-L-O-U-G-H, plow, okay. In third, my aunt grows a variety of flowers in her garden. So which spelling is correct? So we have to take the second one. The correct spelling of variety is V-A-R-I-E-T-Y, variety, okay. So we have to take the correct, circle the correct one, which is second. And number 4, will you go to the library this weekend? So student, which one is correct spelling of weekend? So there is a first, WEEKEND, weekend. So we have to circle it, okay? So like this you have to complete your book one by one, okay? And you also write the exercise A and B in your notebook with a good handwriting, okay student? I hope is that clear to you how to complete your book, and you also write the exercises in your notebook. Is that clear to everyone? I hope you all are understood very well. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.